and which ones we do not correct?
Well done question. We correct the recitation of the person if it's a clear mistake. لحن جلي. We don't correct the لحن خفي. We don't correct, for example, غنة. We don't have to correct إخفاء. But the لحن الجلي, what is it? Because scholars differ. Is it the لحن الجلي that has to change the معنى, the meaning? Or the لحن الجلي is clear mistake is the one even is does not change the meaning, but yet it is with the harakat, fatha became dhamma, dhamma became kasra. Actually, the correct opinion is the lahm al-jali is that even the one does not change the meaning, but it changes the vowels. Okay? So you didn't say sirata, you said sirati. Sirati alladina. You have to go and say to you sirata. So fatha dhamma, that's a clear mistake. And the correct definition regarding the lahm al-jali is that this mistake basically is a common mistake that the people who are not even specialized in the field of tajweed, they will pick it up. So fatha dhamma, they'll pick it up. But what is the specialists, the only ones who will be able to pick the mistakes of tajweed, for example, ishmam and all of that, and Rome, this called lahn khafi. So the lahn al-jani, where everybody be able to correct dhamma, kasra, fatha, whether it's changing the meaning or not. Naam.
Jazakallah khair.